I'm Eva. Today I'm going to try to trick you into thinking I'm good looking, and if that sounds familiar, it should be, because many years ago Miss Jenna Marbles introduced us to herself as the lady who could trick you into thinking she was good looking. So I broke down the steps required to be a human illusion, I think is the wordage she used. The first thing you must do is bleach the bejesus out of your hair, which I shan't be doing. I can't leave my house right now. The second thing is to tan the bejesus out of your skin, which I also can't do. There's snow all over my balcony. I ain't getting a tan. But I can use makeup that's way too dark for me, which is what I will be using. And it says shower, which I did last night, so we're good. It says a lot of foundation, a lot of makeup on your face. I think the word she used was caked. And then black eyeshadow, fake lashes, which I don't own any, so a lot of mascara, bold eyebrows, bright pink lips, and straight hair. And with all those steps together, we can all pretend to be good looking. So, let's do it. Well, Jenna might have just said to cake makeup on your face. Not a lot of description in that, so I'm just going to assume that I can use primer, foundation, like contouring and all that stuff. As long as it's really thick and really cakey, I think we're following the rules. Now I'm going to be using shade 22 of the Sephora 10 Hour Foundation. It's my summer shade, so it is going to be real dark on me right now. You gotta go heavy with it, because she said cake. I think at the end of this, we can ask Ryan whether or not I look attractive in the final look. And that'll tell us whether or not this has actually been a success. Though granted, he is a biased observer, but he's immediate feedback, so. I'm now using like double the amount it would normally take to cover my face with this stuff, because I'm trying to go real thick with it. I don't really understand why caked makeup is the attractive thing here, but I mean, this was also put out, what, 10 years ago? Do you guys remember what was stylish 10 years ago? I do. It was not a good look. 10 years ago I was wearing a lot of eyeliner. That's a look. In the spirit of making yourself look nothing like yourself, we're gonna contour a little. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Fawn Stick Foundation contouring stick. Whatever. It works real well, it blends real fast. I like it. And also it was $16.50, which, can you beat that? Now the reason I picked Anastasia to contour with is because this stuff blends out in about a second. Do you see how little work I'm doing here? It's awesome. This is way too much makeup on my face and it doesn't feel healthy for my skin. Okay, we contoured, but we want to get like really fake colored for tan. So I'm going to pull out Marcel's. Now you guys have heard me say a lot of times that I love Marcel's, but as it's gotten older, it's turned orange in the pot. And when I put it on my skin turns orange. So I've ordered a different powder. I think it's the NYX one I ordered. When it comes in, I will make the switch. For now though, this is going to be great for pretending that I have fake tan on. Well, I think this counts as caking makeup onto my face, as I cannot see any of my original skin, or like the texture of it, or a semblance of what my skin color normally is. So I think we have achieved this step. Our next one's gonna be black eyeshadow. Now it looks like she just went real hard with it and then maybe used a glitter, so that's what I'm gonna do. In order to do this, I'm using the Let's Do It by ColourPop. It's just their matte black that you get in like most of their palettes, so. Oh, I should have grabbed tape. I have tape, give me 1 second. Yeah. Okay, well I would say those are very successfully black eyes. Very drastic black eyes. I feel like I should be on stage with these things. It would seem to me she also smoked out black under her eyes, so I'm gonna do that too. Okay, blendy time. Okay, I'm gonna use the Morphe Spark highlighter actually, just with my finger over top of this black. Kind of give it more of a like fun night out look, which I think is what she was trying to go for. What's that? I'll hit it in the corner. Probably up here a little. The next step is fake lashes, but I don't own any and I can't leave my house, and you know why. So I'm just gonna do a lot of mascara now. Okay, so we got some hella stacked lashes in here with many, many, many layers of mascara on them. So I'd call that close enough to fake lashes. Now the next step is bold eyebrows. Now she actually said draw on some cartoony ones, but black eyebrows is just not gonna work with my hair color. So we're just gonna go darker and hella bold. Okay, we now have some very bold, much darker, and somewhat uneven eyebrows. So we're very close to the end here. The next step is to put on a bright pink lipstick, preferably baby pink from what I'm seeing here. So let's do that. This is the NYX Liquid Suede and Tea and Cookies. Honestly, do not recommend this purchase, do not recommend this product. It don't last long, but it's the only bright pink I own. Okay, so we have the, I think she called it Hoochie lipstick, which I'm not even sure I know what that means, but it was bright pink, so I want bright pink. And I have straightened hair like she told me to, but I think her bleached hair was very damaged because mine doesn't do the thing. But yeah, here's the look. Here's the, I tricked you into thinking I was good looking look. Have I tricked you into thinking I'm good looking, honey?
You kind of remind me of junior high.
How so?
That's when all the girls had like the really dark makeup around their eyes. Felt that they were deep. You look like a My Chemical Romance fan.
Oh, you're supposed to think that I'm really hot.
I don't know, that seems like maybe back in the day, that's why also
I mean,
women did it.
The video came out like 10 years ago that I'm basing this off.
then you nailed it. 10 years ago, that would have been hot.
And today?
It's a little much. It's a little dark. Unless you're going on some kind of recon mission at night and you need the to block the glare.
What about like if I was going to a nightclub?
Yeah, you know, that kind of, yeah, sure.
But you're saying essentially this didn't work. This isn't tricking you into thinking that I'm really good looking.
I think you're good looking just the way you are.
That's not the point of the video. Well, Jenna, I hope I did you proud. And considering you'll likely never watch this, I'm just going to assume I did or did not. Do you think I did her proud?
I think you did.
Okay, I'll assume I did you proud. Anyways, I'm Eva. If you guys like this video, please hit like, comment down below, and hit subscribe so I can see you guys next time.